Hey, how's it going, guys? And now you're gonna learn about emptying of array. If you want to remove inside every element, so you can do this kind of things. Like I'm gonna show you now. First, comment that out. Remove those. So first solution is numbers equals empty array. It will work as long as it doesn't have any references, which that is what the heck what I did now. Let me see. Oh, it's a const. Sorry about that. I let. So as long as it doesn't change, so let me show you. So see, it's an empty array, so it doesn't have any reference. That is, I'm gonna show you. Let another equals numbers. You can see that it still have empty array, but if you log another out, you can see there's a reference to it. So we have a solution for that, which is numbers dot length element. You know that length element will make it to 0. When you do that, it becomes ouch. Sorry about that, length. So when we do that, it becomes 0. And there's another solution, slice method. Let's do that. The first you need to do is 0, make it 0, and the second, the number of the element. So what is the number of element inside this? Numbers dot length is the number. So when we do that, it's again makes empty element. There's another way. It's too old and it is an inefficient. So what we're gonna do is while while numbers dot length greater than 0, until that happen, we're gonna do numbers dot pop. Okay, it also what the heck I just did. So until that happen, it's gonna do that. So I think I made a mistake somewhere. Yeah. Uh-oh. My browser just crashed. So what we're gonna do is restart the server. Yeah, it's 0. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.